This is Mike with Kilns. This is our 3-button controller, and this one is configured for our fiber kilns. When you first turn the controller on, it will come up and say idle and the current temperature in the kiln. If we press the program start stop button once, this has LP, which is our conservative, large piece, regular brick kiln firing schedules. This is SP, a little bit quicker, but they are still for brick kilns. Then we get into our fiber programs. So these are fiber large piece, fiber medium size piece, and fiber small piece, which are the fastest programs. Also, user program has 25 blank programs in there that are each 20 segments long. There are more programs in this than you'll probably ever need to use. So we will go back to fiber medium size piece, and if we push the button on the left, it'll advance us. So there is a fuse program, a contour program, a tack, a shallow slump program, a deep slump program, a drape program, polish, and then we put 2 bottle programs in. One is for a bottle in a mold, and one is for a bottle going flat, which is bottle number 2. Then it goes back to the top for the fuse. If we want to go ahead and go into the fuse program, we press the button on the left. Rate 1 is going at 500 degrees an hour, degrees Fahrenheit to 1,000. Hold for 0. Rate 2 as fast as it can go, up to 1480. Hold there for 10 minutes. Rate 3 is as fast as it can go to 900 degrees. If you're doing spectrum, then you probably want to go to 950 for the anneal. We're going to hold there for 30 minutes. Rate 4 is 0. Press the start stop button again, and then one more time, it's on, and now it'll start clicking on and off. And those programs that you see are in the manual, and we will send this with it, and you can see what each one of those is going to do. You're more than welcome to change any of the numbers that are in the program. You can go program your own into this, but this is a full-featured, simple 3-button controller.